Hi, I'm Josh Wright, and I'm going to talk about Skills Practice 11, Electron Practice. In question 1, it states, what is wrong with the following notation? Alright, first of all, there's no such thing as an F sublevel in the third energy level. Also, if there was an F sublevel, it would have 5 orbitals instead of 4. How many sublevels would you expect in the 8th energy level? The answer is 8, because as you can see that as you move down in the energy levels, it increases by 1 every time, going from S to 2S to 2P to 3S to 3P to 3D and so on. Question 3 says, what is the maximum number of electrons that can fit in the 3D sublevel? The answer is 10, because if there's 5 orbitals, and then each orbital can hold 2 electrons. Question 4 states how many electrons can fit in the 2p orbital. The answer is 2, because all orbitals can only hold 2 electrons. In the 5th energy level, there's a 5th sublevel called the G sublevel. Considering the trend in the number of orbitals and electrons in the S, P, D, and F sublevels, predict how many orbitals and how many electrons can fit in the G sublevel. Alright, so there would be 9 orbitals, which mean 18 electrons. Alright, because as you can see from S, P, D, F, and then G, they all gain 2 orbitals per energy level. Question 6 states, considering your answer to question 5, how many electrons can fit in the entire 5th energy level? The answer is 50. Because in the S level there's 2, in the P level there's 6, in the D level there's 10, F is 14, and then G is 18. And then you add all those up and they equal 50. Question 7 says, write the notation for an electron spinning clockwise in the P sublevel in the 4th energy level. As you can see, this is the answer. There are 3 orbitals in the 4p energy level, and if there's 1 electron, it has to be in the first orbital. And then clockwise means that the arrow is pointing upward, and then if it was counterclockwise, the arrow would be pointing downward.